In today's video, I will show you how you can improve your LinkedIn profile with two useful Chrome extensions. So let's get started. Over here, I am on my LinkedIn page. I have browsed to my LinkedIn profile. You can see my heading over here. It's limited what I am good at. If you go to the extension, so if you go for Chrome extension and search for Careerflow, this is the extension which you need to install. I have already installed. So this is the first one, which I'll show you that how it works. So go back to your LinkedIn profile, and once you install the extension, you can see this C over here, which stands for Careerflow. Just click on it. My profile is 100% optimized, and I got certification from Careerflow for optimizing my profile. For you guys, you need to look out for all the green checks. So I'll rerun the optimization for you guys. So let's start, and you can click the next from here, or you can click the next by the site, by this checklist. Over here you can see the profile photo, which is perfect. You can see the snippet over here, the information which you need to change, and you can directly click on edit now. It will go and you can update your profile accordingly. The next one is the banner itself. The banner has to be more attractive, something like which says your information. It says the headline is a short one-liner that appears under your name with your profile. So, or anyone who search for your profile or come across your profile, they can only see your headline first, and that has to be more attractive. The other one is open to work. You can mention your skills over here. The location itself, the connection itself, like I have 500 plus connections over here. I think you require 100 plus connections for this to optimize properly. The about section, which is one of the most important one, where you can showcase your skills and your journey so far. Your experience level, of course, and education. You can see over here all my checklists are lit green, so that's correct. If something is orange or red, then you need to change it from here. By for each and everything, you got an edit option. The customize your linked URL, LinkedIn URL. Features, license and certifications, which you have to mention as much as you can. So any volunteering work, that's also considerable. So click on finish, and here you can see the total score. Likewise, you can optimize your profile just by installing this extension. It is a very good extension. Even they can guide you in your headline. Just go to your website, and there is a headline generator. You can generate 10 headlines, I think, per a month. So just to be precise in that. The other extension which I was talking about, Joblistic. So over here, so go back to your Chrome web store and search for Joblytics, and this one I have already installed. So let's see how it is. For example, if you want to search a job, like if you go to the job itself, and let's search for my digital marketing manager, something which is new, or let's search for SEO management, something like that, something related to SEO. So over here I have SEO manager, which is contract basis. So before clicking the easy apply, all you can do is go over to your Joblytics and analyze this job description. Before that, you need to upload your CV, and if something is more than 50%, then you are ready to go. You can upload your CV from here, and then click analyze job again, and there you go, 67. So let's try another one, like SEO manager. Analyze the job, and which is 58, which is more than, and the keywords which are matched are already mentioned over here. What's missing is search engine marketing, PPC, and performance. This you can add to your description. Go over to another one. Let's give another try. upload your resume, analyze the job, which is 45. Yeah, so you need to add these words in your CV. And as soon as you click on the link over here, you can see a snippet which defines, so you don't have to go over to the Joblytics extension and to analyze the job description. So let's give another try. Just wait for it at 40%, not a match. Or if you want to see, so for the keywords, you can click analyze, and here is the missing keywords. SEO specialist again, it's 42%. Let's see what's missing over here. So these are missing over here. You can include these keywords in your CV. Let's go for the last one. And this is 54. So let's see that if we can further improve it. Analyze the job. Missing keywords are Vue, Vision, and React. So these are the two useful extensions from Chrome, and they are only limited to Chrome. So it works for Chrome only, and you can download it from Chrome Web Store. So that was a wrap. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you can be notified with my future videos. I have a gaming channel. Yeah, the link is in the description. If anyone interested, you can go and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye-bye.